Hello YouTube, back with another live video today. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of time to get in here. And we're just gonna look at Podman real quick, just looking at a quick overview. This is gonna be my next series. We're gonna go all through Podman. We're gonna work it out and show all y'all the tricks and things to it. Right, a lot of the commands are similar to those used in Docker, but we'll get into it. I guess at the minute mark, so I'll start going. Alright, so as it is right here, Podman is a utility provided as part of the libpod library. It can be used to create and maintain containers, just like you would do it similar to Docker. But the difference with Podman is it also has pods, kind of similar to if you use Kubernetes. And if you don't have it installed, let's look at these different instructions here. You would want to follow those, of course, right? So on Mac and Windows, they have the information here, Mac OS, Podman mission init info. If you have brew installed, you just brew install Podman. So that's pretty simple. If you have Arch Linux, Manjaro, CentOS, or Debian, these will be the commands accordingly. I have a Debian system, so I will be using that. Let me get that on the screen here. Alright, let me go ahead and do terminal and bring that all the way up to the top. And I would just do sudo apt-y install podman. Put in my password. It's already there, so we're good to go. But that's all you would do if you were running a Debian-based system. But just find your system on this page, and now you would just then go back to the home screen once you have that in, and you want to just do the basic stuff. Man Podman, right? So you can get the man pages for Podman. You want to do Podman -v. You have Podman 4.3.1. These are all simple things you want to do right out the box to make sure that you're running the version that you would like to have and use. Right? You don't want to have something crazy on here that's outdated, and you won't be able to follow along with whatever I'm doing or whatever on the tutorial or whatever you're trying to do, especially if it's like in a professional setting, right? So we're gonna do Podman PS, right? Okay, yeah. So there might be some conflicts with other images on there. That's what I have here. So we can just keep going. So if we wanted to search, we just do Podman search on that particular container you want to do. So if HTTPD, if I wanted to use that, I don't have it, so we'll have to actually try to pull it. Let me see, Podman pull. Let's see, Ubuntu. Alright, so Ubuntu was fine. HTTPD, I'm going to need probably the entire docker.io name. So let's try that. Let's see if that works. Podman pull docker.io - library / HTTPD. Alright, yeah, and that works just fine. So I need the full name of that. So just keep that in mind if you're having conflicts with running anything like a Docker pool or a Podman pool. You just have to make sure you have the entire name sometimes. Sometimes you have to set it up, and you can be pulling from all three indices It could be from Docker.io, Quay.io, or Red Hat.io, Redhat.com, and you can actually pick and select those options if however you want to use them. So let's do a Podman images now that we have some on here. Um, so that's good too. All right, and you just follow along. You can follow along with this right here. You can run it on this actual port right here if that's what you wanted to do. Right. I want to get another image. I want to do Podman pull Prometheus. Yes, I'm gonna have to do the same thing. I think it's Quay.io. Let me not do that. Let me see. Let me see. Podman container. Oh, not Pod. Why did I say Podman container? I want the Prometheus container. I think I clicked on the wrong one. Yeah, so it should be Docker.io. I think that Prometheus. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so we'll do Docker pull prom/Prometheus. We are going to use Prometheus site. Yank. No, I don't want the actual. Let's see. Oh, duh. Docker.io/prom.prometheus. I don't know what I was thinking about. I just did that too. Alright, so you have to have that part in there as well. And we'll let that download. So now I have Prometheus and I have the web service container here as well. So if you want to just follow here this, you would just take that, copy it, and you would just run it on port. Ooh. Let me close this so I can get a better view here. Image not found. No. Podman images. Command not found. Oh, did I have something in front of it? Let's see, Podman run. No, that's fine. So let's see, Podman run. What am I getting? Okay, then we're going to do port. SDT. Let's see what it's saying. Let's type it in 8080 to port 80. So we're going to forward 8080 to 8080 docker.io / http. No, library. HTTP. Alright. Let's see. What do I have this already running on 8080? Oh. Docker ps. Oh, I already have some Jenkins running on it. Hmm? Where am I running that from? Alright, so I was running conflicts. Just gonna kill that process. Let's see. Oh, one more. Alright, now we can do Podman ls. Ooh, Podman ps. Alright, so it's running. And we can go here and check that out. I didn't do a HTTPS. What in the world? What? Why is it doing that? Let's just do 127. Hmm? Come on, man. Alright. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, 88. Alright. So it works. So we're able to use that, so you know that's working. So if I want to run Prometheus, it would be 90, 90, 90, 90, docker.o, prom Prometheus. How says Prometheus? Oh, why did you Docker PS? I meant to say Podman PS. Alright, so yes, it's up to. Copy that. And we can see what we have here as far as that. So Prometheus is up and running. Alright, so we already have Prometheus up and running. And you can, if you looked at my previous video about how you make 200K in IT this year in 2025, Prometheus is a monitoring tool. It allows you to manage your alarms, your alerts, um, system health, database health, um, via different rule sets, uh, stuff like that. And it's a great tool for that, for monitoring and setting things up. But yeah, so this is how you use Podman just to set up a container. Like I said, you can easily go through the tutorial on the site, or you can use it just like if you have experience with Docker and use it the same way. So that's how you basically set up and run a container from the command line in Podman. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have more videos coming to you, especially on this topic. All right. See you later.